गुरुं वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्ण चैतन्य देवं श्री राधा कृष्ण पादान सहगण ललिता विशाखातमिश्च श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Guru Parampara. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to Harinam Chintamani. All glories to Guru Parampara. All glories to Balaram appearance day, tomorrow, although, but today I have to write. All glories, all glories, all glories. Today is a very special day. It's Balaram appearance, but day before Balaram appearance day. It is called preparation day. Balaram is our Guru Tattva. But somehow or other, you can say accidentally, this body born on this day. Therefore, devotee arrange some cake cutting ceremony today. So I am just trying to honor their offering, although it is like a tradition, not like our Vedic tradition, but it is Western tradition. But you know, this Harinam, chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, there is no any kind of particular tradition. It is tradition for everyone. All type of faith, all type of people, all type of caste, without any discrimination, Supreme Lord arrange for all of us to chant this Hare Krishna Mahamantra. This is the Mahaprabhu, and the Supreme Lord in the form of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared and he spread the message. So we are here today and we have to observe all tradition. It is nothing wrong. So whatever devotee arrange, we have to always honor it. Hare Krishna, let me cut the cake first. First of all, we have to cut the cake and distribute the cake amongst the devotee here. And then we can start the Harinam Chintamani class according to our session, you know. Yesterday, due to my some technical difficulties, my body's technical difficulties, not like a... so I went to dentist, therefore no class. But today, after cutting the cake, definitely I will be with you and all. Hare Krishna, let me cut. Hare Krishna. Om Shashti Na Govinda Shashti Na Achyutananda Shashti Na Vasudeva Vishnu Dadatu Om Shashti Na Naraka Naravai Om Shashti Na Vishakshana Vishakani Dadatu Om Shashti Na Vainati Hari Om Shashti Na Dadatu Om Shashti Shashti Samangala Shashti Me Krishna Sharavalakeshwareshwara Krishna Dashya Kuruvantu Madhava Madhava Vachi Madhava Madhava Redhi स्मरन्ति साधवः सर्वे सर्वकारयेषु माधवम्। श्री नृसिंह जय जय नृसिंह। प्रह्लाद से जय पद्मा मुख पद्मभृंग। नमस्ते नरसिंहाय प्रह्लादमुदायिने हिरण्यकशिपुर्भक्षशलाढम्बनकालये वागीशाजस्य वदनलक्ष्मीर्यस्य च भक्षसि यस्यास्तहृदय संवित्तं नृसिंहमहं भजे। ईतो नृसिंह परतो नृसिंह जतो जतो जामि ततो नृसिंह वैरि नृसिंह हृदय नृसिंह नृसिंहमादि शरणं प्रपद्ये। ओम आं ह्रीं क्रों ह्रौं च हुं फट्। ओम आं ह्रीं क्रों ह्रौं च हुं फट्। ओम आं ह्रीं क्रों ह्रौं च हुं फट्। तब तो हाथ चंद्र मावक लोचन वज्रादिक नकस्पर्श दिव्य सिंह नमस्तुते। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद सद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम गुरुदेवर आविर्भाव तिथि की जय, वैश्व पूजा की जय, समागत भक्त वृंद की जय, हिताय गौर प्रणंदे।
Haribol, now this, I think all of you are enjoying that cake cutting ceremony today. Thank you very much for all of your patience. So, I'm just going through the question and answer. So, I saw that today Krishnamurti from France, he sent me the questions. Question from Farida, Russia. Hare Krishna. What is benefit for devotee by chanting pranam mantra? First question is this: what pranam mantra you are chanting? Pranam mantra means to dedicate to whom you are paying obeisance, but to whom you are doing pranam. So in this regard, pranam mantra is beneficial to get the blessings from all the personification to whom we are offering pranam. I think it is needed. Without Vaishnava's pranam, without Vaishnava's blessings, we are not able to develop our spiritual life. And you have to know that Bhagavan, Supreme Lord, mercy will not come down to us directly. It is always coming through the pure devotees, to whom we call Guru and Vaishnava. So therefore we have to always do pranam. First pranam from the Guru and Vaishnava. Like today, every day we are doing pranam to our parampara first. Parampara, Diksha Guru. Diksha Guru's Guru means Param Guru, means Grand Spiritual Master, then Great Grand Spiritual Master, then Great Great Grand Spiritual Master. We do pranam to everyone. Why? Because Krishna's mercy will come down to us through them only. Because due to our unwanted mundane desire, anartha, Krishna unable to bestow his mercy to us directly. It should come down through them. Therefore, we have to do it. This is a special benefit. I think all of you should do it and get their blessings and progress your spiritual life in the right path. Hare Krishna. Second question. What rules of chanting pranam mantra? First of all, we have to think the embodiment, whatever the pranam mantra actually indicating their quality, their character, everything there. If you know the meaning of the pranam mantra, then you can imagine your that personification to whom we are paying obeisance, pranam. Is it possible to commit offense by chanting pranam mantra? It's very difficult to say. If we are just ignoring and trying to, with ignoring mind, if we just paying obeisance, definitely, personification, Vaishnavas, especially, they are merciful. They are not taking any offense. But Supreme Lord Krishna in our heart, his eyes like an X-ray machine. He can understand what is your intention to offer the pranam. If there is any kind of any kind of offensive tendency we have for paying obeisance, then Krishna is not allowing us to be free from the offense. But Vaishnava always merciful. Even you say, real Vaishnava, if you say to them any kind of slang language, they don't mind for that. No. How to achieve perfection in chanting Pranam Mantra? First of all, every tradition, every practice, we should go through our teachers to whom we call Guru and Vaishnava. So we have to practice the Pranam Mantra under their guidance. So whatever they prescribe to chant, follow with such mind, not like a mind spaced out and you are just chanting like a parrot. It's not like that. You have to be in that Pranam Mantra. Then you can get perfection. What is considered perfection in chanting Pranam Mantra? Means wholeheartedly chant the Pranam Mantra. That is called real perfection in chanting Pranam Mantra. I hope you understand. Let me check any other questions arrived or not. Let me, so many people are there. There is no question. Damodar, I feel so much scared and love after getting accepted and love. There is no questions. Just the question for Damodar, not question. And Sachinandan from Punjab. There is no question from there. Krishnamurti Falguni. There is no question from there. I think everything fine. So now we have to go through the Harinam Chintamani class. So text number which is
72.
70.
72.
Okay. Let me check the 72 text number. I have to close this. Oh my God, 90%. Harinam Chintamani. Okay, text number 72, huh? Let me check. Everything mismanagement. কলিয়াগ মনে নাথ জীবের দুর্দশা দেখি জ্ঞান কর্ম যোগ ছাড়িল ভরসা. That we did, it is true. This Kali Yuga, such a beneficial chanting, Supreme Lord implemented here. It is really, really attractive. And Karmi, Yogi, everybody, Karmi, Jnani, Yogi, they are just turning. I explained yesterday about it. You can see so many Christian followers, so many, even the Muslim follower also. Morocco, even these Arabic countries, they are hidden way, they are chanting also. So anyway, actually Mahaprabhu's path, Mahaprabhu's Sankirtan path, nowadays all tradition are following. Christian church, they are also chanting, but not Hare Krishna Mahamantra according to their own way, but English song. Sometime I also invited in the church, Sunday, their program. Sometime in San Francisco, in Montreal, they are inviting me. And when I went there, they are giving a subject. I remember one subject they gave me. Very nicely I remember this. Take a vacation for negativity. From negativity. That question, that subject I remember still. Yeah, apart from that, so many, subject matter. The common subject matter for their benefit. They are choosing and they are giving before going to the platform. Christian have, if you like to give discourses, it's not like sitting in the chair, the stand, platform is there. And then, just like a political leader, they are giving discourse, not discourse, they are lecture, such a manner. You have to stand, then fixing time also there, and you have to speak that. Then, when I went there once, every time when I went there, I saw they are chanting English song. One song I remember, no more a sad song, no more a sad song, like this song. I remember that. So it is there chanting. Also, when I went to South India, before it was so many Saivite, but nowadays I saw so many also church over there. And every Sunday morning when I crossing through the church, I saw many South Indian. They are together, they're full of church people. They are chanting something, but I don't know their language, Tamil song. Even the Muslim in the villages in Bengal, when I visit, just a few years, I am looking that their tradition have been changed. They are also doing Pandal program, they are singing by their own way. Singing is going on. Garmi, Gani also joining to us. So anyway, this Kali Yuga, also I explained yesterday that, day before yesterday, that Harinam is considered like everything. Each fire sacrifice, Harinam like considering like a meditation, also worshipping, everything there. Therefore, Kali Yuga, Harinam Sankirtan, like condensed form of dhyana meditation, also this called fire sacrifice, also worship. That I explained yesterday. So now we have to go the text 72. Text 72, Alpo ayu bohu pad pida pida balo buddhi hasha. Kali Yuga, I already explained before, because I know the Kali Yuga tendency. Alpo ayu, duration of life is extremely short. And Vidyapati explained one of his song, prayer song, prayer. Song name is Parthana, English called prayer. So Vidyapati pray that Adha Janama Ham Nidhi Umayalu, half of my life I just sleeping. This will look, if you calculate your entire time of sleeping. Adha Janama, Adha means half life. Nidhe means sleep. Guayalu means passing. Passing or half of my life, our life, just sleeping. So if we see we are taking healthy, organic, prasad or food, then we can survive here healthy manner 100 years. Then if you look entire life, if you calculate this from childhood to until this old age, if you look, then you can see half of our life we are sleeping. When you become baby form, you are sleeping more than 18, 19 hours. Then if you reduce that, like nowadays so many young stars, they say, like 2 days ago, 2 young girls called me from New York, and her mother was there. Mother requesting me, please tell Jogamaya and Jayasri, they are sleeping late and getting up 10 o'clock morning. And then I asked them, when you are going to sleep? Then say, no, The young means really young, when young, 15 years old, teenage. We are 12 to 10 means 10 hours they are sleeping. They are reducing, they know. So, even this, I saw the Delhi devotee, I don't like to say the name. They said they are also young girls, they also say the same thing. So this is a tradition. Young age, we are sleeping a lot. So if you calculate, then all you can see, the half of our life we are sleeping. Adha janama ham nide goyalu. Jara shishi kato dina gela. Jara means sickness. Sickness, also called old age, called jara. Shishu means childhood. Kato dina gela, so many times over. Then when youth age, actually you can calculate that when the teenage, you can just look. Teenage, although they are taking Harinam initiation, but their intention in another direction. Initiation, direction not towards Lord, for their sense gratification, desire, fulfilling sense gratification, desire. So therefore, it is very difficult to manage their mind to concentrate towards Lord. So therefore, you can see whatever Vidyapati says, Jara Shishu Kato Dina Gela, even old age, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Jara means old age also. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Vriddho Kal, Jara means Vriddho, Vriddho means old age. Vriddho Kal, Ayolo, Shaboshuko Bhagala, Pidavasya Hoinu Kator, Sarvendriya Durubala, Khina Kale Varo, Bhokabhave Dukkitantar. If you know Bengali, then you understand. Vriddho Kalo Ayolo, as soon as old age appears, you can see, I am also appearing, my age also, now 57. So I actually realize that. All cramping, muscle cramping, all this ache, body ache, so much physical problems. Viddha kalayala, shabo sukha bhavala, all the happiness gone. Sarvendriya durvala, all the organ become weak. Khina kalevara, you can see my hand become keen. Before it was all the muscle you can see, but now no muscle, only Chaitanya Priya says, only the skin and skeleton. This is the situation coming. Maybe after 1 year you can see skin and skeleton with me. Sabosukha bhagala, sarvendya durvala khina kalevara, bhoga bhave dukkhita antar. We have so much desire in mind to perform, but unable to do because of physical condition not allowing us. Therefore, dukkha means distress. Dukkhita antar, inside so much distress. Oh, youth age, I am not that much serious. Now I realize what is the value of our life. So today, this everyone, they are coming to greet me because I born in this Tithi, 14th day of Wakching moon cycle. So this looks like good, but we have to know what is the reality. Reality is, we have to increase our devotion. Devotion should not be reduced. Our Kali Yuga devotion means Harinam Sankirtan. Because Kali Yuga Alpa Ayu means duration of a life is very short. So, Adha Janama Hamane De Guailu, Jara Shishikato Dina Gela, then Shishukal means childhood period finished, then young. Young means youth age. What you are doing? Youth age, always trying to meet with some person where we can have, where we can fulfill our sense gratification. So this we can say. Man finding woman, woman finding man, trying to find. So therefore, Vidyapati says, Nidhubana Ramani Rasaranga Matalu. Nidhuban means not like a Vrindavan Nidhuban. Nidhuban means actually lonely place, solitary place, where we can meet with my beloved person. And sweet talk like Agnidev have. I don't know her name. What is her name?
I don't have anyone.
Don't have any answer. But anyway, that. But anyway, you think like that. So, Nidhubana Ramani Rasaranga Matalu. Matalu means become madness. Madness. To find our solitary place to meet with our beloved person. If we fix our mind, our beloved person is Guru, Vaishnava, then okay. But mostly youth age, you can see they go to park, amusement park, that you can see to whom like mostly youth, they like youth, boys and girls. So this type of tendency, this type of motivation will not allow us to follow the spirituality. So therefore, Vidyapati says, Madhava, ham parinam nirasha. Hey Madhav, hey Krishna, I don't have any other hope. I don't have any other hope without you. Kata chaturanana mari mari jayata. And Brahma, Chaturana means who has four-headed. Brahma, Mori Mori Jayata, Brahmas also have duration of life, 100 years. But calculation of 100 years is different than us. Our life duration 100 years, Brahma's life duration also 100 years. But Brahma's one day means too much. Golden age, silver age, copper age, iron age. 4 age together, which called one Dibba Juk. 71 Dibba Juk means one Manmantar. 14 Manmantar means Bomba's one day. Just calculate. And I think our life, maybe so many millions life passed with Bomba's one day. So anyway, this is the condition of Kali Yuga's Alpo Ayu. Bahu Pida. Pida means so much pain, mental pain, heart, but a physical pain, so much. You can see, just recently I heard there's a devotee jumping from the 4th floor to ground floor. Depression. What depression? No one knows. Actually, our only one defect, how far we are from Lord Krishna, that much we are in distress. But Supreme Lord Krishna appeared here in the form of Lord Chaitanya and giving us very nice solution, chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Then you can pull Lord from his Golok Vrindavan to you. No need to go back to Golok Vrindavan. Yeah. Golokero premodhono harinamo sankirtana. Divine loving wealth of Goloko appear here in the form of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. But we have to chant with attentively, not inattentively chanting. If we chant attentively, definitely, Lord will be with you. Always I am giving such example. Lord always in His holy name, Lord always in our heart in the form of Paramatma. Like matchbox and matchstick, both are ignitable. By fixing they make fire. So if you just fixing matchstick to our matchbox, fire come where? Matchstick. Matchstick. So, our chanting beat, attentively chanting means matchbox. Our heart is like a matchstick. Heart is darkness, full of darkness, ignorance. As soon as ignorance means dark, you don't know, in dark the chair is there. We must say, no, Mayadevi is like dark. Maybe one rope is there on the ground, you think it's snake. Because of the Maya, you cannot see. So, as soon as attentively chant, we are able to chant, then you can see matchstick on in the heart. Then you can see what is an ignorance. We can rectify ourselves. There are so many things we have surrounding us. We don't know. But if we just keep some tolerance, wait for the mercy of Lord, then you can see what is what. Just wait. Instead of just like, material word like a running sand. How much you move, that much you go down. When I independently move, that much you go down. You know the Chorawali, Bengali called Chorawali, Hindi I don't know. Daldal, red ka daldal mein. Or English called running sand. Quicksand. It's a quicksand. Quicksand, if we just move independently, that much you go down. If you move according to the our Guru Vaishnava's instruction, Parampara's instruction, then they will take you out of the quicksand. Therefore we have to always think, Bahu Pida. Youth age is the best age, but now we are spending in different direction. Energy we are spending different direction in the youth age. So, Bolo Buddhi Hasha, Bolo power, Buddhi intelligence, Hasha deducting or deteriorating day by day. How much Kali age increasing, our Bolo, power, Buddhi deteriorating. You can see nowadays all the countries, they are talking about love, but they are thinking about Hatiyar, preparing a weapon. Why? If they really want to establish love amongst each country, why they want to get the weapon, powerful weapon, Rafale, Rafale jet, then missile, powerful missile, missile 400, right? What is that? S-400. Everybody trying to get it. Why? If our target to establish love, we are you and I, we are sitting in the meeting for love, for our society's benefit, social benefit, all we are selfish tendency. And we are thinking really a meeting is fruitful. Actually, meeting like a fake. Everybody trying their best way to fixing their weapon. But nowadays, Lord give us nice lesson. Bio war with coronavirus. It's not working with any weapon. No intelligence. So everything going on accordingly. So this Mahamari devastation. I don't know when it is going to end. Pray to Lord for ending and engage your energy for chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Then gradually we can be real manner to become friends. We can see Hare Krishna field. Can see there is so many type of people are there. Although there is so much antagonistic Christianity, they don't like. Any type of Muslim, they hate us. All the different faith, they hate Hare Krishna. Even these just atheist people, they also hate Hare Krishna. Everybody hate. But still you can see African are there in Hare Krishna, white skin, European, American, different type of American, South American, North American, everybody there, Australian, even these tribal people also there. Everybody there. Brahmin also there. So why? Because mantra have power. That person can join to the Hare Krishna movement who has spiritual pious credit. Anyway, if you do something, when bhakti unmukhi shukriti, whenever we have, then you feel to be with Hare Krishna. Because Hare Krishna people, they are real manner searching Lord, searching eternity. Why? Because in this iron age, Lord Himself implemented to establish spirituality only chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Iva Kevalam, Kalau Nasteva, Nasteva, Nasteva Gatiranatha. This meaning is very simple. Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama only means, Kevalam means only. Kalau means in this iron age, particularly iron age, Kalau, Nasteva means there is no other way, there is no other way, there is no other way. 3 times. Why? Golden age, meditation, no way. Then second Nasteva, fire sacrifice, silver age, no way. Then copper age, worshipping, no way. Only Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Therefore I am telling you, Hare Krishna chanting, who are chanting purely Hare Krishna Mahamantra, we are considering they are searching real manner eternity. So therefore they are sadhu. So who has bhakti unmukhi shukriti, definitely they are coming to join to that sadhu. If they are really want to progress their eternity. If something other, the Kali Yuga, there is so much option, so much motivation should take place. Someone coming, big society for big benefit, material benefit. So Lord give them. At least they are chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Then maybe next life they will be, because chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra they are removing their all sinful reaction. Maybe next life they will come to the real sadhu association. So anyway, alpa balo buddhi rasa, balo means power. Our buddhi, intelligence, rasa means reduction, deteriorating, day by day. Ei shava upadrava jive koila grasa. All the upadrava means all the type of miseries, great miseries. Jive koila grasa, the intelligent, weak, everything. Grass means they are trap it. Because of this. Anyway, that's reading this. In this age, we lead short lives of great misery or weak and less intelligence and are swallowed up by so many disturbance and disruption. Grasha, swallow. All the disruption. Finished. So, what to do? Harinam Chintamani, Haridas Thakur explained that. To whom? Haridas Thakur explained to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Why? Because Lord Chaitanya asking question, Haridas, please explain the glories of chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Then Haridas Thakur explained many ways. Oh Lord, you are Supreme Lord, but you are acting like you don't know anything. But anyway, by your grace, I am trying to explain what I have realization. then is such type of explanation. Haridas Thakur explained, first chapter of Harinam Chintamani. So, whatever intelligence we have, you can see most of the people they are thinking I have intelligence. So I can be a first class engineer, doctor, why I am going to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra? It's a waste of my time. Why I go to temple? It's a waste of my time. They are not thinking about the human life. It's only one life Lord give us to fix our mind towards Lord and His devotee services. Other life we cannot do that. When you have an animal, all tendency, instinct, your nature instinct, food habit instinct, culture instinct, you cannot change anything. But human life is flexible. You can be theist, you can be atheist, no problem. Lord never interfering. But intelligence, you have to think what is most beneficial. Become atheist. If you become atheist, Lord give you intelligence to become first class atheist. If you become theist, Lord give you intelligence to become first class theist. Astik, nastik. So therefore, we have to be very careful all the time when we step on one, then you think, intellectually think, what is my spiritual benefit? Because this life, only the life, we can increase our spirituality. Lord say, this life I give you for fixing your mind towards me. Aniketa sthira moti bhaktiman me priyanara. Under any circumstances whose mind have been fixed towards me, we have such devotion. He is my dear. So Harinam, Hare Krishna Mahamantra, he chant attentively, Lord always with him. And that, Paramatma, matchsticks on, then you can see light, you can get light, then you can see there is chair, there is Jayadev sitting there, Pitamba sitting there, everybody sitting here. You cannot hit anyone. First classly passing all the obstacles. So anyway, so I hope we have to, all of us should think about the value of this, our human life in this Kali Yuga, this very important age and very important time. Therefore, we have to always think what we are doing. We have to always fix our mind towards Lord service and His devotee service. And also respect towards His creation, all creation. In order to respect His creation, we have to, whatever we eat, we have to offer to Lord first. Whatever you use, because everything belongs, the entire universe belongs to Him. You cannot just say, okay, this is my land, I can use it. Who says it is your land? Land maybe in Vrindavan. If you just cross yourself intellectually, where is Vrindavan? Then you go Uttar Pradesh. Where is Uttar Pradesh? It's India. Where is India? Asia. Where is Asia? It's in the world. Who is the owner of the world? Lord. So who is the actual owner of the land? Lord. So what is the crops you are using? It belongs to Lord. If you don't want to offer to Lord, then you are just cheating on the life is there. Think about intellectually. So anyway, Varnashrama dharma aro Shankho jogo gyana Kali jive uddharite Nahi balavana. Varnashram, Krishna also in the 18th chapter of Bhagavad Gita explained abandon all varieties of religion. Sarva dharman parityajang means varnashram. Sometimes people are thinking this is my dharma. I am householder, I have to look after my family only. That is my dharma. But Chaitanya Charitamrita clearly explained, Chari varnashrami যদি কৃষ্ণ নাহি ভজে সকর্ম করিল রৌরবে পড়ি মাঝে। Four varna, Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, four ashrama, Brahmacharya, Garastha, Banprastha, Sannyas. Jodi, if not serving Lord Krishna, Shakarma, although they are following their own varna and ashram dharma, but still they will go to Rauda, means one hill name is Rauda. Rauda Vipadi Maji. So life, Lord gave us with this human form for His service and gradually fixing or fix our mind towards Him only. Kamsa also fixing his mind, but antagonistic manner. Fixing his mind towards Lord Vishnu, but so much animosity. What to do? Huh? So, think about it. So tomorrow, 73, text number 73, we will talk about this. Varnashram dharma or Shankha Yoga Jnana, or so many other type of religious, so-called religious practice, which is not also beneficial for this age of, with this iron age of deception. Only Hare Krishna Mahamantra. But we have to give due respect to everyone. If you are just disrespecting, blaspheming, ignoring and chanting, it's all offensive chanting. The offensive chanting will increase our material desire. We can expand material wealth and we can expand our material desire. Ultimately, we will be away from Lord. Hare Krishna, think about it and